Hello students, welcome to SSD educational classes and I'm your instructor Kashish Mehra. Today we are going to study about the difference between management and administration. Let's take an overview. An organized way of managing people and things of a business organization is called management, whereas the process of administrating an organization by a group of people is known as administration. In short, we can say that management is nothing but managing the people and things of the organization. Whereas administration means what? Administration means organizing a group of people in the defined process. We can say there is another difference between management is related with middle and lower level, whereas administration is related with top level. Management is related, or management we can say that it is a part of executive, whereas administrative is the part of decision. It means they are taking decision. Management means policy implementation. The policy that is formed by administration, it is followed or implemented by the management. It work under the administration, management work under the administration, whereas administration has full control over the activities of the organization. Profit making organization. Management is a profit making organization, that is business organization. Whereas administration can be worked in government offices, military club, business enterprises, hospital, religious and educational organizations. It means administration can be done each and everywhere, whereas management is done for the business organization. In the management part, we can see that who will do the work and how will it be done is the question. Whereas in administration, we say that there are questions related what should be done and when it should be done. In the management, we can say that these are the plans, putting plans and policies into action, whereas in the administration, formulating of plans, framing of policies and setting of objectives are the main objective of the administration. Management do work of managing, whereas administration do work of making best possible allocations of limited resources. When administration take decision, they always take a few point in mind that there are limited resources in the organization and they have to do best possible way. Manager is known as in the management, whereas those person who administrate is known as administrator. Manager is known as employee and who work for the remuneration, whereas administrator is known as owner who get a return on the capital investment by them. Manager, execute and governing. Manager are known as executive and governing, whereas administrator are known as legislative and determinative. These are the difference between management and administration. Hope friends you have understood each and everything. If there is any difficulty or you does not understand any point, you can comment me in the comment box. Thank you.